So hello viewers and welcome to JMC Garage. So as you know that buying old car is just a tough job, and to restore them it's another challenge. So there are many problems in the old cars that are unsolvable, like your cracked dash or the dash that is faded away, and this is a very big problem that comes in most old cars you buy. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can restore your old interior back to new and almost as it came from the factory. So now let's head back to the video. As you can see, all of this interior has been faded out. The colors of its door cards, dashboard, everything has been completely faded, and it cannot be polished or cleaned or anything. Means you can't clean it up with dashboard cleaner or anything else because it has no more paint left on it. So the easiest way to restore it back is just paint it up. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can paint your interior, and it is such an easy job. As you can see now, I just went to the paint shop and bought the same coat of paint as it comes in dashboard of any other car. You can just take any piece from any other car's dashboard and just get the matching paint, and then just spray the whole interior, clean the interior, degrease it, and just spray the whole interior with the paint evenly, and it will come out nice. Because it's plastic, it just absorbs paint and it looks almost as it was new. So it is not a tough job, and people say that you cannot spray dashboard and door cards, but that's not true. You can easily paint them up. Just paint them up and they will come up just like new. So as you can see, I am applying paint to it. I applied almost 2 to 3 coats of paint, and then it came almost awesome. So viewers, now as you can see, I am just spraying it up. So make sure that you spray even paint to all the parts that you are painting. And the other thing is just apply some heavy paint, because plastic absorbs paint, and if you apply with 1 or 2 layers only, it will absorb all the paint, and when it will dry up it will look again a little bit faded and the paint won't look nice. So make sure to apply almost 3 coats would just do just fine. So apply almost 3 coats of paint to all the parts that you need to paint, and then it will look awesome. So now I'm going to show you that how the interior looked after I painted it up. As you have seen that before it just looked like crap, and now it would look just awesome. So here are the door cards just painted up and they look awesome. So now you see that the interior is just so much better than before. It looks almost new, it looks clean, and it feels almost nice. It doesn't feel like it has been painted or anything. It has the same dashboard like feeling that it had before, and it looks just clean and neat, and your car looks again awesome. So this was the easiest way to get your dashboard painted, and you can do it by yourself. It's not a tough job. You don't need to apply any body filler or anything to the door cards or dashboard because they